Hello, Panthers, and welcome to Mag Drive 2020. For those who don't know me, I'm Miss Bankson, and I'm the lucky vice principal who is overseeing Mag Drive this year. While Mag Drive might look a little bit different, obviously, we're not gathering in the gym, making lots of noise, screaming, making Mr. Donahoe wear his headphones. We are still super committed to raising as much money as possible to support all of our amazing student activities. As you probably saw last week in homeroom, and you're going to see again today in all the videos that we're about to share, Mag Drive is so important to the Prez experience. It's how we make sure that no matter where we are, back in person as some of you will be in some of our programs that are coming back, at home learning, whatever you're doing, whatever the situation, we want to try to provide as much of the Prez experience as possible. And that only happens if we sell magazines and or bring in donations. Our goal this year is $140,000 of magazine sales. We can do this. Hopefully, you already set your personal goal and your homeroom goal. If you haven't, you'll do that after today's assembly with your homeroom teacher. But the whole idea is sell mags, collect donations, do whatever you can to help do what Nana would do, and that is light the lantern for all of our student programming. It can't happen without all of you. So do your part, because remember, we are stronger together. That's why our school theme this year is Strength and Community. Let's show that strength by selling magazines. Thanks, and have a great Mag Drive assembly.
Presentation High School, what's going on? My name is Aaron Lynn. I'm so excited to be talking to you today. You can call me the magazine guy, the fundraiser dude, but all I know is I am stoked to be launching out our 2020 Activities Mag Drive today. Obviously, things will look a little bit different this year. We love to be in the gym, getting rowdy, getting excited, but we're doing this thing virtually on video, and we're going to crush our fundraiser this year. You all have an amazing tradition, an amazing history here at Presentation High School of totally knocking this fundraiser out of the park. And you also have a tradition of being the #1 school in our entire company. You guys always do such an amazing job in this fundraiser. So it's up to you to carry on the tradition this year in 2020. Distance learning, virtual fundraiser, doesn't matter. You all are going to crush it. And so we need your help. The way you can help, #1, set a goal. Set a goal for yourself in this fundraiser of how you want to help Presentation High School, how many magazines that you want to sell. Write it down. Let your friends know exactly how many magazines you're going to sell and make it happen. Second, in order to help get there, register online and share the link with at least 10 people. You're going to see all kinds of information on how you can register and share, but it is up to you to crush this fundraiser, carry on the success of Presentation High School, and make 2020 the best year ever. Let's do this.
Enthusiasm.
Class spirit.
Participation.
Collaboration.
Support.
At Presentation, our motto is not words but deeds, and we are committed to taking action and doing the small things to make our community safe. One of those things is wearing a mask, as it is a necessary precaution to keep those around us healthy. Not only that, but we are reaching out to our fellow Panthers during this time of separation to keep connected to our Prez family.
One of the great things about Prez is the many different opportunities for students to connect and grow in their interests. Activities Drive funds these clubs and programs and makes these amazing events on campus possible so that students can pursue their diverse interests and create strong bonds within their community.
Activities Drive is meaningful to me for multiple reasons. Not only will Activities Drive help fund sports teams and clubs, it'll help fund Panther Pride. This means we can shift away from fundraising during the year and focus more on doing fun things for our Prez community.
Speech and debate,
PAC,
robotics,
JASBA, community involvement,
astronomy, finance and entrepreneurship club,
Panther Pride.
Panthers in medicine.
These clubs, among many, are one of the several things that make presentation such a great school.
But to make these programs and clubs a success, we need your support.
A way to support programs and clubs is to participate in the Activities Drive.
We really hope that you choose to contribute to our co-curricular community. Thank you.
And hashtag support Prez. Hi all, it's me Heidi, and I'm one of the 3 people who put this video together. Me, Nyla, and Vinity are super grateful for those students and faculty who were able to submit their photos for our collage. Thank you so much, and hashtag support Prez.
Thank you to everyone who submitted pictures. We really couldn't have done this without you, and thank you so much for your support in this initiative.
Hi, we're the sophomores. For our activity drive video, we're going to tell all of you at Prez why we're going to have the most amazing spirit during the drive.
As the most enthusiastic class at Prez, we're skilled at showing our spirit and positivity under any circumstances. All those who agree, put your thumbs up.
I really wish we could all be with each other again. But that's okay. With our school spirit this year, it will be just as good, even if it's online.
We are super informed about the drive and know what our goals are.
Hey Alex, did you know that Spirit Points are based off of participation this year?
Why, yes, Ria, I do. And that's great because we have such an amazing class. And if all of us participate, we will receive 100% of the Spirit Points available to us.
Us sophomores use presentation jargon in our daily lives.
Venerable Nano Nego?
Pray for us. It's here!
What?
The Spirit Trophy!
We all participated.
And that's why we have the most spirit. We're going to crush it in this activity drive. Sophomore class of 2023.
With our supportive community and strengthen each other, do you think the sophomore class has what it takes to be the most spirited at Activity Drive?
Hey guys, how was your first few weeks of school?
Pretty good, kind of long, but it's nice to be back.
Same with me. Did you guys hear about the fundraiser?
Oh yeah, I'm so excited for Mag Drive. Actually, this year I think it's called Activities Drive.
These are some of the activities that it will support.
I'm donating
for dance team,
field hockey,
for our school's art programs,
volleyball,
for speech and debate,
basketball,
for swim team.
Drive 2020.
It's gonna be different.
It's gonna be special.
It's gonna have spirit.
Participation.
And demonstrate
strength in community.
We know that things are different this year.
But we have the ability to go above and beyond once again.
Let's finish off our mag drives with the best one yet.